friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make some teriyaki tofu. Go ahead and take a screenshot of all your ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing you want to do is prepare your tofu. You'll want to use firm or extra firm for this recipe. Once you're done draining the tofu from the package, we will need to press the rest of the water out of it. Grab a plate and place some paper towels over the tofu. Then set a pan or pot on it. Set that aside while we make everything else. Next, go ahead and get your 3 cloves of garlic. You'll want to mince them. The easiest way to peel your ginger root is with a potato peeler. Go ahead and do that. Use a grater to grate 2 teaspoons worth. Next, add 3 tablespoons of honey. I'm using coconut aminos, but if you don't have this, you can use soy sauce in its place. Add half a cup. Add 1/8 of a teaspoon of red chili flakes, or however much you like. And then add a 1/4 cup of water. Give it a good stir, and this is what it should look like. You'll want to grab a small saucepan and turn up the stove to medium-high heat. Go ahead and pour your sauce in. You'll want to let this caramelize, so you'll see shortly what that looks like. In the meantime, while that's heating up, go ahead and grab your 2 teaspoons worth of tapioca flour and 2 teaspoons worth of cold water. Go ahead and mix it in a cup. This is going to make your life so much easier. If you don't have tapioca flour, arrowroot flour would work, or cornstarch. Give that a good mix and pour it in and stir it with the rest of the sauce. Notice the sauce starting to bubble or caramelize, and check this out. Whoa. Continue to give it a good stir, and then you'll want to turn off your heat. Okay, back to the tofu. At this point, most of the water should be out and soaked within the paper towel. Go ahead and cut your tofu into however many pieces you like. I cut these into 4x4s, so I ended up getting about 16 pieces. Of course, I was going to fry these in the air fryer, so you'll want to drizzle them with olive oil, a pinch of salt, and then go ahead and place them in the air fryer for 10 minutes at 380. This is what they'll look like, but you'll want to place them back in the air fryer at 400 for 5 minutes. This will help make it crispier. Okay, go ahead and grab a pan. You'll want to turn it on to medium-high heat and put your tofu in. From there, go ahead and pour your sauce. You're going to basically marinate your tofu and your sauce together. Once you've flipped your tofu all around in the sauce, go ahead and let it simmer while you get your romaine and your bell peppers ready. If you don't want to do lettuce wraps, that's totally fine. You could also serve this on top of some jasmine rice. However, I'm doing the lettuce wraps only because I ate like a baby cow during the holidays. You can thank me later. Okay friends, and there you have it, some teriyaki tofu. You can use this teriyaki sauce on any meat of your preference. I've linked the original recipe below. So tell me, are there additional vegetarian options that you want to see? Until next time.